First of all, I would like to thanks our president of Rotary Club, Port Town, Mugda Kamath, who has taken the initiative under the Rotary Club and हे ऑर्गनायझ जे केला ते त्यांच्यानी सगळे ऑर्गनायझ केलेले असा along with my friend Yogesh Kerkar, who is the founder of the Curious Mind, and through that Curious Mind he is going ahead with all this new technology to the students. And I also have my another friend Kalpaknaik, who has always been very supportive. And first of all, first time योगेशान सांगले फर्स्ट टाइम आता आमच्या वास्को मोर्मुगांव तालुकान आणि स्पेशली इन मोर्मुगांव इव्हेंट जाता आणि हे करपाक लागून तेंच्यांनी जाले म्हाका दिसता 2-3 महिने पयलीं योगेशान म्हाका सांगलेलें अशें आमी करुया स्टुडंट्साक लागून आनी खंय तरी आतां जे हिसपान जग फुडें वयपाक लागलेलो आसा आनी वी आर मुवींग टुवर्ड्स रोबोटीक एरा म्हणटा अशें आनी हेचे भितर आयज कितें आसा पयलीं आमी पळयताले कितें फक्त हे इंजिनियरींग स्टुडंट्स आसताले तेच हेचे भितर खंय तरी इंट्रस्टेड आसलेले बट आयज जशें क्युरियस मायंड रोटरी क्लब फुडें सरून आयज ते स्कूल लेवलाचेर पावयलेले आसा कित्याक येन्ना दर भुरग्यांक तेजे बाबतींत इंट्रस्ट हाडप रोबोटिकाचे भितर आनी ते करून घेवप सो तेज्या लागून म्हाका दिसता एक बीग अचिवमेंट आनी आयज जशें सांगलां त्या प्रमाणे आख्खे गोंयचे स्कुलां पार्टिसिपेट जाता अरावंड मोर दॅन 20 स्कूल्स सद्या रजिस्टर जाल्लेले आसा अरावंड मोर दॅन 250 स्टुडंट्स फाल्यां रजिस्टर जाल्ले आसा हे वाडटले आनी लेटर ऑन पर्यंत सो म्हाका दिसता एक बरो आनी थंयसर आपल्या भुरग्यांक स्पेशली स्टुडंट्सांक आपली कला सादर करपाक थंयसर मेळटली स्पेशली इन टू दीस टेक्नॉलॉजी आनी हेंच्यांनी नांव दिलेलें आसा एका S.T.E.M म्हणून जे इट इज लायक सायन्स टेक्नॉलॉजी इंजिनियरींग आनी मॅथमॅटिक्स दीस ऑल 4 सब्जेक्ट्स आर इन्क्लुडेड इन दीस आनी हेजेर फाल्यां ते आमकां प्रेजेंटेशन मेळटलें ओन्ली म्हाका दिसता की हेजे भितर मॅक्सिमम स्टुडंट्सांनी स्पेशली यंगस्टर्स जे 8 ते 14 इयर्साचे आसा जेंका लागून हो प्रोग्राम फाल्यां जातलो मॅक्सिमम लोकांनी पार्टिसिपेट जावपाचें हेजे भितर म्हाका दिसता लास्ट टायमी असोच एक प्रोग्राम आमी केल्लो क्युरियस मायंडाच्या अंडर तेन्ना आमी पळयलें की एक बरे भुरगे आपली जी तकली यूज करून जे रोबोटिकाचे वेगळे वेगळे रोबोट्स जे टायअप तेंच्यानी तयार केल्ले थंयसर ते आमी पळयलेले आनी फाल्यां म्हाका दिसता हांव सगळ्या गोंयच्या लोकांक अपील करता सगळ्या आमच्या मुरगांवच्या लोकांक तालुक्याच्या लोकांक अपील करता की सगळ्यांनी थंय येवन भुरग्यांची जी कला आसा जे भुरगे सगळे जाण थंयसर फाल्यां आपली जे प्रेजेंटेशन घालचे जशें आतां तुका एक्सप्लेन केल्लें आसा आमच्या योगेशान कितें दे आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेर देम फॉर सायन्स क्यूज मागीर भितर ते आमचे जे आसतले ते बिल्डींग आसतले मागीर रोबोटीक रेस ते जे रोबोट्स करतले तेजे भितर रेस लायतले कोण फर्स्ट येता ताका प्रायजीस मेळटले कन्स्ट्रक्शन ताणें एक्सप्लेन केलें आसा हे सगळे भाशेचे भाशेंचे थंयसर वेगळे वेगळे प्रकारचे आसतले वीच वील स्टार्ट इन द मॉर्निंग एट 9 o'clock आनी इट वील गो अप टू इन द इवनिंग 6 o'clock पर्यंत ते चलतले तेंचे वेर म्हाका दिसता इट इज अ गुड ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी वेर द स्टुडंट्स कम्युनिटी वील बी एक्सपोज टू ऑल दीस टायप आनी हे नॉर्मली जायना जाता ते लिमिटेड जाता आनी इट ऑलवेज टेक्स एट अ हाय लेवलाचेर हांगा म्हाका दिसता फर्स्ट टायम योगेशान आनी रोटरी क्लबान एक ग्राउंड लेवलाचेर हाडला वीच इज तेंच्यांनी एक्सेसिबल टू ऑल द स्टुडंट्स केल्लेले आसा एंड दे देमसेल्फ हॅव इनवॉल्व सो मच लायक विदाउट एनी गेन्स ऑर बेनिफीट विदाउट एनी मॉनिटरी गेन्स बेनिफीट तेंच्यांनी सगळे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट दवरलेले आसा कित्याक मॅक्सिमम लोकांक हेजो बेनिफीट जावचो आनी इंट्रस्ट भुरग्यांक हेजे भितर इंट्रस्ट येवचो म्हणून सो आय एम व्हेरी ग्रेटफूल टू बोथ ऑफ देम रोटरी क्लब एंड our Curious Mind founder Yogesh Kerkar, who has taken this initiative to get this thing done tomorrow.
It's a one thing. Yours half for and
See, it's not my dream; it's a dream of entire Goan. That everybody feels that in Goa we should have this institute of robotic and all. And I think even our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, is very much interested because I think he has taken this interest and I think he has started this at the school level, and I think the government is giving all the material also to the students at free of cost. So this is the main thing, like where the government is actually participating. Even the government is setting up lab in various schools. That is the CAT lab, where S.T.E.M lab, where the students get this benefit. Even I am very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. At my request, we have also got one such lab in Mormugao constituency for Mormugao High School. This also we have taken this initiative where Yogesh continues doing the follow-up and this is going to start. So this it it's not only my dream, it's the dream of the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa and the entire colleague. And also I would like to be very thankful to our Honorable Minister for IT and Tourism, Minister Ravindra, who has also been a very supportive. And for this event also, he has always been very helpful to us, and with his blessing, we are going ahead. So we are thankful to all these people who has always stood beside the future especially for the students.
It's like event. Tell us something about the event in brief.
Okay, so this event is called titled Sankalpna. Sankalpna म्हटल्यार concept in Marathi. So concepts आम्ही घेऊन येला. तो concept related to emerging technologies, technology of the future. So तुम्ही आता you must be aware that the current world is moving towards robotics and automation. Gone are the days where people used to talk about computers. Now they are talking about robots. So that is what exactly we want to focus in this event. या इव्हेंटार आम्ही ते फोकस करू शकता. सो चार फील्ड सायन्स, टेक्नॉलॉजी, इंजिनिअरिंग अँड मॅथमॅटिक्स हे चार फील्ड आम्ही एक करून एक काइंड ऑफ बुके तयार केला वेर देर आर वेरियस इव्हेंट्स अँड स्कूल्स आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दोज इव्हेंट्स. पहिलो इव्हेंट जो आसा आमचो तो सायन्स क्विज. Science quiz, it's in both the formats, written format as well as final round will be on stage. Then we have Science Expo. So schools all over Goa are participating. They are setting up their expo where they are displaying one basic concept of science. So that is the second event. The third event is about robotics construction. So how to build a robot. We are going to give hands-on experience. Plus there is a robotic construction challenge. म्हणजे कितें आमी एक टायम लिमीट दितलो आनी एक हे दितलो म्हणजे रोबोट machine as a challenge will provide him. So whoever completes the construction challenge in fast quick time, so that will be the winner. So that is robotic construction. Robotic workshop will be done free of cost for whoever is coming. Then bridge building. Now this is a very unique concept. आम्ही पयलीं अशें भुरगेपणान खेळत तशें म्हणजे आमी भुरग्यांक पॉप्सिकल स्टीक, आयस्क्रीम स्टिक्स दिता, 100 पॉप्सिकल स्टीक आनी तांकां सांगता की तुमी ब्रिज बांदा. So the bridge बांदल्या उपरांत the testing will be like we'll put weight on it, 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo, and how much the weight, the glue and stick use करून तो weight जितलो ब्रिज स्टँड करता त्या will be declared as a prize winner. म्हणजे प्रत्येक ब्रिज जो भुरगी घडयता तो मोठलो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द वेट, and whoever sustains the maximum weight will be declared as a fine. So basically civil engineering concepts, mathematical concepts, all different types of, even when you talk about robotics, mechanical engineering concept, when you talk about programming, you talk about computer science concepts. So just science, technology, engineering and mathematics, हे चार फील्डातले पांच competition आसा.
Schools are involved in this, service schools or particular students from particular schools or.
Okay, so one thing I want to tell you that due to the help of our MLA Sankalp Amonkar, it is possible for us to make this program entirely free of cost for the benefit of the students. Okay, अशे events खूप थोडे झाल्या. वास्कोन तर first time जाता for at this particular level. Okay, but the best part about this program is that it is absolutely there nothing commercial involved, no registration fees. It's totally free for the students. So
age limit will be there, sir?
Yes. So the age limit is from 8 years to 14 years. That is the age limit. So in this 8 years to 14 years, 4th standard to 8th 9th standard, these are participating. एक थोडे दीस पयलीं जेन्ना आमी हे चालू केल्ले म्हणजे एक म्हयनो जालो आमी प्रमोशन करता. सो एक 2-4 दीस पयलीं आमकां म्हणजे सामकेंच कमी रजिस्ट्रेशन आहलें. एकूच रजिस्ट्रेशन आहलें तें बी म्हटल्यार पेडण्याचें. पूण 18 जशी स्कूल्स ओपन जाली तशें रजिस्ट्रेशन आमचें स्टार्ट जालें आनी 2-3 दिसांनी सगळे म्हणजे ओवर 100 टीम्स आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग नाव. सो फ्रॉम आय मीन इट्स हॅपी फील्स मी खूब बरें दिसता सांगपाक की नॉट ओन्ली वास्कोच्या लोकांनी धरला चुकून प्लस ऑल ओवर गोवा म्हणजे हेगडेवार फ्रॉम सांकली, हेगडेवार फ्रॉम पणजी, युअर ज्ञान विकास फ्रॉम कोरोरीम, सारस्वत फ्रॉम म्हापसा. सो दीस स्कूल्स हॅव ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेटेड. सो अबाउट 220 स्कूल्स. वास्कोन सांगपाक म्हणल्यार आमचे सेंट जोझफ, मागीर मुरगांव हायस्कूल, मागीर तुज्या देस्तेरो हायस्कूल, वाडेम नगर, ग्रीन लॉन्स अशे स्कूल्स पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले आसा. सी जनरली रोबोटिक्स म्हटल्यार आमी चिंतता की इकॉनॉमिक्स प्रायज इज इनवॉल्ड ऑर इट्स एक्सपेन्सिव अफेअर, बट दिस टायम वी आर टोटली ब्रेकिंग द बॅरियर एज सच. वी आर मेकिंग इट अफोर्डेबल अँड एक्सेसिबल टू ऑल द पीपल of the society.
Do you think it's technology for the future of students, for the future?
Absolutely. जशें हांवें म्हटलें की आतां वी आर मुव्हिंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट ऑटोमेशन. म्हणजे कितें जे डर्टी जॉब्स ऑर जे डिफिकल्ट जॉब्स, दोज जॉब्स मशीन्स वील बी मेकिंग टुडे. So those, when you talk about these machines will be doing our jobs, so we have to have people who will create those machines. So those concepts आम्ही भुरग्यांक आतांसूनच आता आम्ही इनकल्केट करता म्हणजे ह्या यंग एजर इनकल्केट करता सो दॅट वी थिंक दॅट वी विल रिसीव म्हणजे एक प्रोग्राम केल्या उपरांत वॉट इज द आउटकम इज इनोवेटर्स ऑफ द फ्युचर, एंटरप्रेनर्स ऑफ द फ्युचर, थिंकर्स who will think beyond the boundaries and take it to the next level.
Basically mentoring all the students.
Absolutely, mentoring all the all the students. Okay, it's like all people related. Okay, coming together, sharing their ideas. Okay, exchanging their views. We'll see 10 म्हणजे एक स्कूल जर एक सायन्स एक्सपो एक कन्सेप्ट जर प्रेझेंट करता जाल्यार 20 स्कुलां 20 कन्सेप्ट प्रेझेंट करतले. सो एक विजिटर जर आयलो और एक भुरगो जर आयलो जाल्यार ही विल लर्न दोज 20 कन्सेप्ट्स. So that is what the effort of this event more particularly is. So thanks to our honorable MLA, he has made things very smooth and easy for us, including taking care of the venue, taking care of so many other things. We are also happy that Rotary Club is also associated with us. So Rotary Club's president Mormugao is here. So they are the ones who are driving this. We are the ones who are just supporting it. Okay, from behind. So the volunteers, the registration, everything is done by the Rotary Club. Okay. So Rotary along with Curious Mind and another 2-3 partners मिळून आम्ही या सगळ्या करता, obviously with the help of support provided by honorable MLA of Mormugao Sankalp Amonkar.
One of the most important events in the entire program will be robotic construction, and I'm happy to note that we have got the highest entry for this competition. This will be held in 2 categories. Category A, which will be comprising of students starting from class 4 till class 7th, and the category B, wherein it will be from class 8 to 9th. Here the students will get hands-on experience of creating machines by themselves, and it will be a time-bound competition. The fastest team, whichever creates the robots first, will be declared as the winner. This in fact will be one of its kind event, because normally robotics is considered to be an elite kind of subject. But due to the efforts of Yogesh Kerkar, the director of Curious Mind, and continuous support by our honorable MLA S.T.E.M Sankalp Amonkar, we have been able to bring this robotic education to the every strata of society. So our motto is robotics should be accessible and affordable, and what you're going to experience tomorrow is one of that is robotic construction. So I request all the parents and children to please attend the function. Thank you.
Basically, a lot of children will be involved. So, message to the parents or to the schools from that.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank Sir Sankalp for giving us the opportunity actually to have this event. Because of him, we are being able to have it in Ravindra Bhavan, and I would like to also thank Curious Minds, because they are the people who are curating the whole event from scratch to executing it. So I would invite everyone, all small, big, everyone from town to come and have a look at this special curated event by Curious Minds. So please visit us on the 23rd of November at Ravindra Bhavan, Baina. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.